batang may laban,
Maraming nutrients ang kailangan.
ang isang glass ng Bonakid Preschool may protein na katumbas ng 1/4 kilo ng tuna, iron na katumbas ng 1/2 chicken breast.
At vitamins A, C, and E na katumbas ng ganitong karaming fruits and nuts.
Ganyan kadami ang katumbas ng isang glass. Yan ang gatas
Ng batang may laban.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool. 3 plus.
Kaya moms, mag 3 pataas na sila, bigyan sila ng Bonakid Preschool 3 Plus for a triple boost advantage in growth, energy, and immunity.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool.